Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming which RDO you need and why. This determines the correct code and office. Once done, collect your TIN, valid ID, proof of address, mayor's permit or business registration, and any authorization if someone files for you. Make sure the BIR form for RDO change is filled accurately. Mistakes cause delays. Then print 2 copies, one for submission and one for your records. This early accuracy speeds approval and avoids repeat visits. You now take the documents to the target RDO. At the counter, hand over originals and photocopies and show the filled BIR change form. The clerk verifies identity and completeness. Once accepted, sign an intake receipt and note the assigned control number. Make sure they stamp your copy and provide an estimated processing time. This is your tracking reference. If any supporting docs are missing, they'll tell you immediately, so ask for precise next steps before you leave. You finish by returning on the notified date or waiting for mail confirmation. The RDO will endorse or update your BIR record and give written proof. Once updated, make sure to inform banks, suppliers, and local government units so all tax withholding and permits reference the new RDO. If processing stalls, call or visit with your control number and intake receipt. Escalate to the district officer if unresolved. This single troubleshooting step usually clears administrative delays quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.